So welcome guys to another video, and this video is going to be another chugging video. I'm supposed to have a chugging video out before this one, but I'm waiting for my editor, Grits, to edit my other video, which I sent him and he hasn't responded back. Yeah, so hopefully he can get that out soonly after this one, but this one, and I'm not even going to tell you the drink for the one that's supposed to be getting out before this one. And imagine me upload this, and then the day I upload this one, he uploads. Yeah. So this one is a Mountain Dew Spark. And I was hurrying up and getting this because I've heard this is supposed to be like a limited time thing. I really hope it's not. It's like one of my favorite drinks right now. I drink a lot of this now. I've probably had like 10 plus bottles since it came out. Had a lot of this. This is one of my favorite Mountain Dews, honestly. It's like competition with like Baja Blast and Code Red. This is so good, and I've heard there's other flavors. Like maybe this is like voodoo, like every year they change it, even though, I don't know. Spark. We're gonna get into the chug. Hopefully I can do this and actually finish it. I'm gonna post this probably unedited, since he already has a video trying to edit, and I don't know, like, I don't want all my videos edited, because I like the uneditedness, because it's like, it's raw, it's authentic, and there's nothing really overbearing, but this video's getting a little whatever. So let's get into the chug. We're gonna try chug this without burping. Let's see if I can do it. I think most of the noise that's just satisfying noise. You know something's good when it makes that. Well, not always actually, but let's get into it. This is fridge cold. God, it already got my eyes like almost watering, man. It's so cold. These are like the most hardest ones to do, is the fridge cold. Because when they're like warm and not super cold, it's not that hard. We're getting lit, man. This is my year, man. I have to do this, but when I chug these things, I feel just super obese, man. I just feel fat. I feel like diabetes running through my veins, man. And that's a joke. Do not get diabetes, please. I don't know. That's why I'm working out and being healthy, but these videos are basically an exception. But anyway, I need to get back to the chug. Under halfway. Ding! Like the video and subscribe, please. This is my year. I'm trying to get big here on YouTube, man. I'm trying to get semi-big, not big, like, I believe it. I'm gonna try to buy a camera so I can stop using my phone, get high quality, and yeah. Oh, I feel a burp coming already. I need to finish this. I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna get this done. Right now, right here. Come on, I gotta get this done. It's almost done. Oh, my stomach hurts. This is not as bad as like Dr. Pepper or root beer. Those are not meant to chug. It's almost done. I feel burp coming. Come on, no burp. I'm like coughing because I'm holding in a burp. Spark is done. Spark is done. The spark is done, and it has a dent in it. This is how I was gripping it kind of hard, not super hard. Because if I was gripping it hard, it would be way more dented. I want to push this really loud, but people are going to question and they're going to interrupt the video, so... Boom, man, I just want... Okay. I'm fine. I do over-exaggerate a little bit, because, like, I could be... Like, I have a high pain tolerance, but I'm trying to make these, and I know you guys probably think I'm capping, lying, and stuff, but I promise. I'm not lying. I got a high pain tolerance, but the Dr. Pepper one did really hurt. But, like, I'm like over-exaggerating a little bit, bro. I feel bloated now, man. But I don't feel a burp coming, so I'm gonna end the video if I. So, I'm winning this one. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share this video with your friends. Try to share my channel to at least one friend. I'm trying to get this out here. I love doing YouTube. It's like a hobby of mine. I just burped. I just wanna. But anyway, well, I lost, but Spark. Go check out my other chugs